Alright, leg time, finally. Jeez, have them laid out here. These are my sketches from what I can tell. This is about this long, so. Drawn up, now I'll make a 3D pattern of that. Okay, I've got my measurements. This was 6 centimeters wide, so the radius of the circle here is going to be 3 centimeters. This was 5, so 2.5. This is the length of the leg, and it's very close, but I just wanted to make sure what the exact height would be. If the angle here was smaller, you would definitely be better off with a cone, but such a steep angle, I think trapezoid should be just fine. This is the 3 centimeter circle. That would have been useful if I had some sewing clips right now, but I don't. So this is what I'm left with. And I'm gonna sew it up real quick. There's the leg. Now it's time to attach it like that with the seam in the back. Still is visible. Yeah, I have this guy pinned down and I can already see that I would like to take off just a little bit of that inner thigh. It's a bit too much. Yeah, I'd say that's a bit better. Just pinned it down a little more.